Looking for a car that's easy on the wallet? We are revealing the top 5 cars in 2025 with the lowest maintenance costs. These models are not only reliable but also help you save thousands over the years. Stick around till the end to find your perfect match. Owning a car isn't just about the upfront price. Maintenance and running costs play a huge role in how much you'll actually spend. So, we've compiled the ultimate list of cars that combine affordability, efficiency, and low upkeep. Let's start with number 5. At number 5, we have the Tata Punch. Priced at 5.49 lakh rupees and up, this compact SUV packs a punch with a fuel efficiency of 18 km per litre and a maintenance cost of just 28,000 rupees over 5 years. So if you're looking for a sturdy, feature-packed car, this one's a no-brainer. Next up, the Hyundai Grand i10 Nios. Starting at 5.30 lakh rupees, it offers fuel efficiency of up to 20 km per litre and maintenance costs around 30,000 rupees over 5 years. With its feature-rich interior and reliable service network, this is a great pick for families. At number 3, the Maruti Suzuki Dzire. Priced between 6.57 lakh and 9.39 lakh rupees, this compact sedan boasts 22 km per litre mileage and a maintenance cost of 35,000 rupees over 5 years. It's perfect for those seeking style and practicality on a budget. Coming in at number 2 is the Maruti Suzuki Alto K10. With a starting price of just 3.99 lakh rupees, it offers incredible value. A fuel efficiency of 24.4 km per litre and a maintenance cost of 25,000 rupees over 5 years makes this a favorite among budget-conscious buyers. And the number 1 spot goes to the Maruti Suzuki WagonR. Starting at 5.52 lakh rupees, it delivers an impressive mileage of 25.19 km per litre with maintenance costs capped at 30,000 rupees over 5 years. Spacious, reliable and efficient. It's a true all-rounder. So, there you have it. From the robust starter punch to the ever-reliable WagonR, these cars prove that you don't have to break the bank to own and maintain a great vehicle. Each of these models offers excellent value for money and low long-term costs. Which of these cars fits your lifestyle? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews and money-saving tips. See you in the next video.